Best practices for content, campaigns, and company updates. A/B test your campaigns. We recommend you to create and test at least 2 ad creative variations in all of your campaigns, each creative differing in the following criteria: the use of slightly different images, the use of shorter or larger character length, the use of statistics or infographics in one variation, featuring a person in one variation and an object in another, testing word exchanges, such as switching from the word ebook in one variation to the word guide in another. Use rich media. To really stand out in the LinkedIn feed, you will need to use different visual elements in your ads. Using images and videos in your content can boost comment rates by up to 98%. A YouTube video specifically can increase share rates by up to 75%, as they directly play in the LinkedIn feed. Bid wisely. Your daily budget should start at 100 times the cost of your average cost per click or cost per mile. For example, if your average CPC is $15, your daily budget should start at $1,500, which is okay because you're not going to be spending it all unless your audience targeting is too broad and expansive. If your goal is to have as many conversions as possible, you should bid at least 10% above the suggested bidding range. Don't get tied to a publishing calendar. Stay up to date and comment on real-world news and events happening outside your publishing calendar in real time. And don't limit yourself to posting on work days, as 57% of LinkedIn members access the platform from their smartphones on weekends.